Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing something a little bit different. This video was filmed back in March. Me and my husband are opening up some Pokemon cards we got at Costco. In this video, it is about midnight. We're both extremely tired and both of us are actually sick. So come along with us to open up these Pokemon cards and bring us a bit of nostalgia. Enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sometimes on this channel we'll post some random videos like this. And to all you mothers out there, happy Mother's Day.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test, to train them is my cause.
Alright, these are the Pokemon trading card game cards from Scarlet and Violet 151. 2 different sets with 10 different containers to collect. We got the basic Bulbasaur, shiny. The basic Charmander, shiny. I'll have to get some sleeves and sleeve it. Basic, shiny Squirtle.
And a Pikachu.
Holler, holler for $1.
That was a cool pull.
It was interesting. It was like the last 3 cards of every pack was good. Not like good, but like shiny or hollow.
Yep.
Here. We're not even doing it. You can't see our hands.
Yep.
That's my bad. Here we go. Now that we're done, quick, put them all back. What's your favorite card that you pulled? This reminds me of when I was a kid.
Would be a tie. Yep.
Me and Sean used to put, because we both had the same initials, and we both used to put SC right here on the white, right? So then we had to try to decipher whose writing was whose.
Golden was good.
And then we would just throw them all on the floor, mix them up, and then pick up as many as we could in the kitchen.
Of course you would.
It was fun.
I think top 3 cards.
Okay.
I got top 4.
Oh, of course you do.
So my top 4 would be the shiny Venusaur EX, the shiny Articuno,
Maybe you pulled some cool ones.
a reverse holo Gyarados. Love the design, but this Kangaskhan was definitely a really cool pull, just because of the art alone.
My favorites was this Gyarados, this Golem, this Wigglytuff. I think is my favorite.
I have to agree.
Am I boring you?
No.
This one's my favorite, I think. And then
That was a cool pull.
Switch.
We gotta look that up.
Thanks for joining us pulling these Pokemon cards.
Time to put them all back in.